Hi friends, welcome to Forex Raja, the channel where we do the analysis for GBPINR. Please do subscribe to our channel because I keep giving analysis daily and I also compare what happened in the last 3 days to where we are. So if we look at the chart, at around last week we had given a clear target of 97 and above, which was achieved. But after 97 and above, 97.32 became a very strong resistance, and from that resistance, we've been seeing a downtrend. And we also see one important level over here, which is 95.5. From this level, it has taken a bounce. It again took support at another level, which is 95.80, and from there it's been hovering around. Now ये एक पैटर्न बनता जा रहा है यहाँ पे, जो आप क्लियरली देख सकते हो. तो कल के लिए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल, इफ़ 9550 is going to be broken tomorrow, we will see a very good down move. In that case, one should be on the sell side, sell futures, and you can even sell options if there are. So one should be on the sell side only if 9550 is broken. If the opening is below 9580, which is this line, all right, if opening is below 9580, then you can still take a sell position. Your first target will be 9550. If 9550 is broken, then further downside can happen. Contrarily, very clear indication is if the opening is above 96, which is this line. If the opening is above 96, if the opening is above 96, then your first target is clearly around this line, which is 96.25. If 96.25 holds, then your next target is 96.5. 96.5 holds, then again it can go till 97. There will be a good move up because of the expiry which is coming in place. So it is very important that you remember these numbers based on the opening. If the opening is above 96, then it can go till 96.25, and then it can even test. If 96.25 holds, then it can test 96.50. On the downside, if the opening is below 95.8, then you should look at the first target. You should be on the sell side, look at the first target of 95.5, and if that breaks, then there is a good opportunity for a good downside move that is coming up for tomorrow. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Remember these levels, it will help you in your trade tomorrow or to take the right decisions. Please share our channel with your friends and families who are interested in trading. At the same time, subscribe to our channel because I do daily videos so that I can give you updates. Happy trading, friends.